What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Blade Ball with my friend Oscar.
Also, make sure to sub to my channel. Ashley will probably leave. I'm actually recording a video right now as well.
Yeah, so make sure you go subscribe to both of our channels.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna do something and I'm not sure if you know Why were you running away from the ball?
Because
Why not? By the way, my username is the same as my YouTube channel.
yeah. So go subscribe to both of us. I'm going to change my username soon. How come the ball was in the sky?
Because I bought an ability, 300 coins. Do you have dash?
What is happening? I keep on jumping for some reason.
Because you're holding the jump button.
Look, I'm not even touching the jump button.
Still jump.
Look.
Oh yes, I saved myself.
I'm trying to stop jumping. Bruh.
Oh wait, I saw you stop for a second, Ashley. Stop trolling me. Stop trolling
Look on the camera, literally. Look. No, not that way.
Have some jumping then, I guess.
I'm going to rejoin and see if that
By
helps.
the way, I am actually a sweaty blade ball, kind of.
Yes, I
Wait,
stopped
Ashley,
jumping.
stop jumping. You stop. Stop.
Yeah, I just clicked the exit and that actually worked. Okay.
By the way,
Should we join a public server after this round?
What?
Should we join a public server, do you think?
Okay, yeah. Let's join a public servers. Let me join one which is not max people.
You know what? I'm going to change my name right now.
And you know what I'm just gonna do? I'm just gonna go like that. Okay, join me when you're ready.
Okay.
Oh, quick, there's one spot left in the server. I think there's a hacker in here. I think there's a hacker. Did they say report, bruh? I think there might be a hacker in this server. Let's see if I can win against the hacker.
Are we going to play in a hacker server then?
What?
Are we going to play it against a hacker then?
Yeah. Well, I think it is. It just says report. Yeah, but I'm not sure. Maybe it's just like a swear. Oh, there's this guy in the server called Blade Ball Master. Nice. 3 wins, let's go.
Okay, I'm joining you.
Nice. No. She wanted to kill me.
Okay, look at the leaderboard. Let's see how good people are.
Yeah. I haven't been passed to yet, and I don't want to because I'm actually very high right now. Actually, okay, good. Okay, you can pass to me, guys.
Which one are you?
I'm the one that's jumping really high. Wait, now. I'm gonna hit it to the sky.
Tell me when you have the ball.
I have the ball.
That's him. Not that suffocation, the other one.
Okay, nice.
The one in the red, that's him.
Oh. No, I wanted to.
He just got past it. Do you think you'll win? Yes, you killed someone.
No! Oh, yes. I saved myself. Oh, I was going to die for a sec. Oh, he's just being passed to. I feel so bad. He's the only one being passed to. I helped him. I only died. Okay, I did not help him out all day.
Is it a 1v1?
No, it's a 1v1v1.
Where's the other person?
Let's go. 1v1.
Okay, that's
1v1.
him. Look, there. I can't see the other person. They're too far away. The guy closest to here is Oscar.
No.
Yes, you won.
Let's go. That is class. GG. How did I get it when the ball stopped?
I don't know.
It went so fast as well. That's another win for me. A huge W. Oh, let's go.
I might use my ability this round because I barely use it.
What did you say?
I'm going to use my ability this round.
Oh, I see you. Watch this. Pow. Hi. Oh, you're still using the hot dog. Hot dog.
Yeah, I haven't got new ones.
Who's the ball going to? Oh, yeah, okay. I have someone passes to me so I can get this blade ball master guy out. Oh, you're still in, Ash. Let's go. Go behind me.
Where are you? Oh, here.
Nice.
This is him. You've got pretzel on your back.
No, someone's coming back to us. No, I can't. Sorry. Bye-bye, sister. I'm not here anymore.
Move.
Oh, no, Ash is still in.
Are you still in?
No! Oh. Unlucky. Hello, Ashley! Yeah, guys, that's my brother.
Hi.
Let's go kill someone. No, Timmy, stop. Oh, I clicked too early. Nice. Good. It's fine,
Where are you?
It's fine.
Are you still in or not? Oh no, you're there. Look at that pretzel.
I'm saving up for an ability called invisibility. But Paul is insane. Paul's just crap. ED2311. I think that's the guy I was against last week. Yeah, Ashley.
Yeah.
I watched a video, like tips for Blade Ball. And that's how I use the tips.
I've never used tips before.
My pasty, I'm gonna save you. Something. No!
I was trying to get up there.
Well, stop trying to get up there. You want to play the game.
Where are you?
I'm the one who just jumped up really high. Shall I jump up really high again?
Yeah.
Shall I? Okay, boom. Oh, I see you. Hello. Hello, Ash. Hello. Boing.
There he is. He's jumping
Ah.
up.
Ooh. Let's go kill him. What did you say?
I said there he is.
No, I'm going away from that fight. I do not want to die. It's like a dream.
That's his username. Go,
No. Oh, I didn't
here.
even know he was here. Bro, I didn't even see him. No way, I didn't even see him there. Wait, where's the other guy? Oh, there he is. It's a 1v1v1, so like, yeah. Oh, 1v1. She's hiding, bruh. Don't hide. Don't hide. Come out and fight like a man. Okay, let's go, I win.
He's won again. I might wait for 2 teams this time and see what works.
What'd you say?
I said I might wait for 2 teams this round. Actually, I'll probably do that next round. Yes, I'm up here. What I've been waiting to do. I just wait until my character's red.
Oh, yes, Ash, let's go. No!
I'm going to go up there next round if it's the same map.
It'd be so funny if it was me and you at a standoff, you know, like 1v1.
Yeah, you will probably win. I usually play on laptop, but I'm playing on tablet.
Get your laptop then.
I can't record on my laptop.
Oh, yeah. Just use your phone to record them and put on YouTube, you know what I mean?
I'm going to check my phone in case I got some messages. Yeah, I've got a WhatsApp message.
I locked all my chats on WhatsApp.
How do you lock a chat?
Just search the tutorial on YouTube, you know.
Oh, so you sent me a voice message?
Yeah, I did before.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a 1v1v1v1. Yeah, 4 people left. 4 people left, including me. How did he speed up the ball like that? No, everyone's passing to me.
Look, that's it.
Let's go, kid. It's a 1v1v1 now. No! Okay, good. Okay, I'm going to speed up the ball and I'm going to pass to him.
We're 12 minutes in the video, you know.
Let's go 1v1 now. Let's go.
Was that hard when he got close to you?
Yeah. Now, bro, Ash, I click amazingly fast. I click really fast, so if someone comes closer, I can easily kind of just, you know, like save myself. We got 3 wins in a row. Let's go. 3 wins in a row. Ah. Where are you? Oh my God, Ash. I'll go in front of you. I'll go in front of you to protect you. Actually, no, because I might hit it a bit and then it'll go to you, so don't do that. No, don't go. Ash, it's coming to you. It's coming to you. Get ready. No, you used it too early.
Yeah.
I saw you. You pressed block too early.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Okay,
Someone
good.
just
Could've passed
texted me.
I would do that. No, go away. I don't want to stand next to you anymore. Then it needs to get me. Then we just pass it to that guy right there. Or move. I don't want anyone next to me. Label Master, you're trash. Move away. You're going to get me. Well, then you're not as trash, like. No, go away. I don't want you here. Imagine I get 5 wins. Imagine I get 4 wins in a row. Oh my God. Okay, it's a 1v1, 3 people left. No, you don't want to spam. You don't want to. Okay, nice. Bruh, you don't want to do it, bruh. Oh wait, I killed him, nice. No, don't go close, bro. You don't want to go close, mate. Yes, let's go. Another win, boys. 4 wins in a row.
How do you...
Okay, I did. I vote. Oh my God, I listened. 5 plus 2 teams. Oh my god. 2 teams, 2 teams, 2 teams. No!
I'm gonna tell them to vote for 2 teams next round.
Ash, guess what?
What?
I've won 4 rounds in a row now.
I know.
Because everyone goes
I'm so
and try
proud.
to spam.
I'm
If
so
everyone
proud.
comes in a spam battle with me in Blade Ball, I have a 80% chance of winning because I'm cracked at spamming. Let me just hit it to this guy because I don't want anyone to come close. Oh, Blade Ball Master. Come on, Mike. Come on, come on. Bam. Whoa! He's a sweat.
Are you still?
Guess how much coins I have now. Guess how much coins I have now.
How many? Do I have 100?
115.
Wait, what was that? You glitched out.
So what now? This kid's actually really good. He was going really fast. He was right next to me. I hit it to him and he hit it back really quick. He has reflex, the flash. Or he's hacking, but probably not.
How did you get eliminated?
I just told you, like, thingy. So like, it was going really fast, and he was right next to me, so I hit it to him. Then he hit it back to me, and I didn't have enough time to react. So yeah. Yeah, I'm not buying any crates because I need 385 more coins until I get invisibility, which is insane. Invisibility is cheap, but it's actually really good. I really want to leave telekinesis though. I can't pronounce it. Where are you? What's up? Ashley,
Yeah.
one day I will get you a win in Blade Ball. Vote for 2 teams because you're on YT. Oh my god, no way, 5 and 5 again, no way. Come on, 2 teams. Come on, no!
Should I tell them to vote for 2? Say vote for 2 teams again? Do you think?
If you want. Ash, don't stand behind me because if it goes to me and I hit it, it might go to you. No, it's gonna go really fast at me. No! Nie będziemy chyba oglądać. Yeah, someone just says with 15 subs, you know, because you said because you're in YT. So I, of course, said she has 88.
Yeah. Who texted me?
Oh. Num, 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 it's like a dream. Yeah, I got 4 wins in a row today, which is really good. No way, there's a sweat in the server. Go for 2 teams because you're on YT. Oh, 4 white teams. No way, it's working. Come on, 2 teams. 2
Two
teams.
teams, two. Yes.
2 teams.
Do you think we'll get on the same team or not?
And if we're the same team, I'll be so mad. No way.
I'm a blue.
Oh my god, Ashley. One blue team.
No, it's gonna come to me. Oh, there it was.
Oh my god, it's 1 blue left, I swear. No, I clicked it by accident. Oh no. No way, he's gonna win, bro, I swear. Look at him, he's sweating so hard. He's sweating so hard right now. What? Bro, he's getting everyone out. It's a 1v1. What am I meant to do if this guy is just gonna... Let's go. I killed the sweat. I killed the sweat, boy. Let's go, bro. I literally just killed the sweat. You don't mess with me. Mamo, ja tutaj później podkurzę.
Oh, I just realised there was caps in my
Nagrywamy ten. Jakiś film i damy na ten. YouTube. Yeah, after I just killed the biggest sweat in the server. Mom, are you proud of me? Oh no, I didn't go to it. No! Ash, you're still alive! You're still alive, Ash! Ashley, you died, but you were in for longer than me.
That's because no one passed me.
Ash, you were in for longer than me. Oh, let me just... Oops. It's like... It's like a dream. Okay, Ash, this will be the last round, yeah?
Yeah.
We will be the...
This guy's just like, are you recording? Shout out to this guy, whatever his name is. His name is Yes, I just hit it.
Sorry, Ash.
It's alright.
Ash, I'm very sorry. I killed you.
It's alright.
I don't think we're friends anymore. It's like what? Okay, that was the final round, I think.
one more round.
One more, okay. I ended my video, but you can do one more.
My phone's about to die.
Let's go. I'm on 10 wins now. Let's go.
My phone's literally about to die.
What'd you say?
My phone's about to die. It's only got 2%. Yeah, no, it shouldn't.
Yeah, I think this video is actually a huge. Actually, imagine we're recording this and the mic isn't working again.
Yeah.
Oh, this guy who was like, oh my god, I'm on YT is sweating now because he knows that.
Yeah.
He's on YT. He's on YouTube. I gotta sweat, bro. I'm on YouTube. I gotta sweat. I'm on YouTube. No.
Wait, did he die?
Yeah, he died.
Yeah, this is the guy that knows he's on YouTube.
Oh, he's next to you now. Yeah, I'm your bodyguard, Ashley.
Are you recording your YouTube video with sound?
I'm your bodyguard.
Are you doing your video with sound or not without sound?
I'm doing it without microphone and with music.
Yeah. I'm gonna do mine with sound.
Why are they spamming LOL? Why are you guys spamming LOL?
Okay, so I'm gonna say.
Okay, so this is the last round?
Yeah.
Nice.
I do classic.
Yeah, guys, that just my little brother, so yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no, he might pass to me because. Okay, no, he didn't, that's good. Oh no, that guy who was really happy about being on YouTube died.
Oh.
No, I feel so bad. Let's donate him 500 Robux and please donate. Wow, I can jump that high as well. Oh, the ball's coming to me. Where are you, Ashley? Wait, you died?
No, I'm still in.
Are you? Oh yeah, I see you. Okay, Ash, let's go. If you die, then don't end the video because I'm still in.
Yeah, I went.
Oh, I see you. Let me go to you. Boing. Oh, the ball's coming to me. Ashley, get ready. Oh no, it didn't go to you. You're lucky. Hi. Let me just get this guy out of the way, you know. Let's go. Hi. Actually, no, because I might hit at you. Sorry, I'm not gonna. I'll just be mean, you know. Because I don't want to get you out. Oh, I nearly died. Okay, nice.
It's going
I'm
to
gonna
be.
hit it to this right here. Ash, you're still in.
Yeah.
Let's go. If it's me and you stand off, then I will let you win, you know, because yeah, it'll be your first win. Oh my god, no one's passing to you. That's so good. You don't even see you, lol.
I don't think they do see me.
Ash, just please don't die.
I hope this guy next to me does not pass to me.
Oh my god, I killed no. Ash, you need to hit this. You need to hit this. Let's go, Ash.
Sorry, I hit you by accident.
No, it's fine, Ashley. It's fine. Nothing happened. Yes, Ash. You can hit it to me if you want.
Okay, I'll just hit it to whoever.
No, Ash. Is that the furthest you've ever gone?
Yeah.
Yo, let's go.
Okay, I'll
You got
wait.
4.
I'm gonna end it.
That's good.
I'm gonna end it once you finish the round.
Did you get a kill this round?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, I killed the guy in front of you.
You've won! Okay, goodbye guys. Let's post this video.